So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete your account here on the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right and press on the profile picture icon. Once you're on the profile screen, simply just scroll on down all the way to the bottom until you come across the option that says delete account, and then go ahead and press on that. Once you're on the delete account page, what I want you to do is to actually just scroll down to where it says delete account. So what this actually does here is you type in your password to verify your account, then go to the bottom, press on the red delete account button, and then your account will be deleted. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to delete your account here on the SeatGeek application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.